Another package has arrived from Christmas Lights, etc. Let's open it up, see what's inside. So what we have here is some more wintergreen 70 M5 LED lights with white wire. So what I have bought this for is to restring my wireframe ball, because the little chintzy China Pride wire soldered LED lights with non-weatherproof heat shrink, the weather got in and rusted them out, and rusted to a point where they don't light no more. So now it's time to replace them with a set of real lights. So we'll plug these in, give a little gander of what they look like. Very nice. These are all commercial, rectified, and heavy-duty wire, 100% weatherproof LED lights in their housings. They are non-replaceable, so you can't replace them, which is fine. They last a long time because they're commercial grade. So I'll be using this in a couple of sets to restring my ball. And so I'll be doing a lot of zip tying. I got a whole plethora of zip ties to get everything back organized. And I have the little tool, because there will be a lot of cinching and snipping. So in case you've never seen one of these little guns work, you take your zip tie and you get it started, and then you cinch it around something. We'll use something like this if that's too big. Something a little smaller, we'll use a little flashlight. So you got this little tail, and it's, kind of loose. So you take this little tool, and you stick it in the jaws, like such, and it cinches it, and then trims it at the same time. Just like that. So now it's all zip tied up. You don't get the little sharp edge to slice you with, and that's it. So that's it for this video. I'll have another video hooked up to this one. Probably be sped up because it'll probably take me a couple of hours to do the whole ball. But anyway, stand by for the fast forward motion. This was a 2-hour clip, and I condensed it into 5 minutes, 26 seconds. What an awesome transition that was. So after 2 hours, it's all done. Took 3 sets of lights. I was thinking about trimming the 3rd set, but it's not wired conventionally like a incandescent set. So just about ready to plug it in. Looking it over for the final time. And now to plug it in. Nice. So these commercial lights will last a long time. I shouldn't have to do any further maintenance for a long time. Now it's time to go out and put it on the tree, because I'm only days away. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.